New technology never fails to surprise us. This is a light bulb camera by Wansview. G6 model, 2K display, E27 screw type fitting. Can be used indoors and outdoors too. Two-way audio, coloured night vision, motion detection, cloud or internal storage. With multi-user sharing. What more can you ask for? Inside the box you will get a complete easy to follow setup guide. A pack of screws with adapters. Above the eye there's a hidden reset button with a micro SD card slot. Now I'm going to set this up using a lamp holder. Since the holder is bayonet type, I will convert it to E27 using this adapter. Screw in the bulb camera and switch on. Shine your smartphone camera lens on the QR code to download the app. Sign up. Add device. Select your model, which is G6. Choose any method to set up. Make sure the bulb is flashing. Connect to new Wi-Fi address. Go back to the app. Now connect back to your main Wi-Fi.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected. Registering on the server.
Give it a name and you're good to go. In the live camera viewing you have alerts, replay. Do know that some of the features will be unlocked once you start your membership. In console you can maneuver the 360 camera. Save your preset camera position. You can turn on the LED lights. And you got a siren mode too. You can talk and listen through the camera. Pretty much got the same features like the Ring cameras. I'm really impressed so far, especially with the picture quality while using a wide angle lens. In settings there's plenty of features to play around with, such as notification alerts, shared users, speaker volume. You can also mount the camera upside down. I had no issues when receiving alerts. They came in through instantly, as long as your Wi-Fi connectivity is strong. Finally, one of the main features is motion tracking, where the camera eye follows you.
I'm sure my voice is coming out quite clearly.
Standing literally 5 meters away.
Standing literally 5 meters away.
Check out the quality here guys, I'm really impressed in the night vision mode. Whether you have surrounding lights on or off, it does a pretty good job. From the naked eye, crystal clear footage from my smartphone. So guys, whether you want to safeguard any room inside your home or workplace, or keep an eye out outdoors, I would recommend you give this Wanvsview camera a shot. Certainly will not break the bank and will be well worth it. Stay safe guys, peace.